Hey guys, I'm Vlad, CEO and founder of Cryptorsy. Today we are going to talk about whitelists and its importance as a part of the Web3 whole marketing game, because whitelist is used for hooking the audience for specific tools, rewards or incentives in order to get those users contributed to the project as well. And with that being said, actually that is the great marketing methodology of attracting the new onboarding wallet, attracting the new subscribers, the active community members, active users, active signups, and so on and so forth. And here we have the 5 main pillars you should really understand about whitelist in order to succeed with it as well. So the first one, you need to design the whitelist. Why does it for? Why should the users compel this order of tasks to go through those contests as well, subscribe, hit that buttons, leave the comments probably on your white paper or doing some signups and so on. So if you can design this whitelist as a great, understandable for everyone customer journey map and the big event, that will be great. That will increase the conversion rate and so on and so forth. So if you can design great creatives, probably come up with the good ideas to get those people rewarded with the specifically great NFTs that will allow them to be an on-chain community because they have went through this contest, they have shown up, the dedication and engagement to your brand as well. So design it carefully. The second one is to think about the hook, because the hook is going to be used as something like the first part acquisition, right? When you are just telling the great hook for somebody and it cannot be rejected, this cannot be turned down as well. So think about your target persona, think about your value that you can provide for those people in order to get them hooked. All right, 1 million tokens, big airdrop, accessible for everyone by doing just the 3 simple tasks. So that sounds a bit weird, but it's still catchy, right? So understand how you can reward those people and make this pathway for them absolutely easy and almost, windy, almost, seamless in order to get those rewards. So create the perfect hook after the campaign and the whitelist is going to be designed well. The third one is create the CGM. All those tasks are going to be powered on some sort of platforms like Zilli, like the Galaxy. When you're creating this incentive program where the users, compelling the task, you're checking those tickets, you're getting them, the second level of whitelist, because that can be a whole marketing funnel of whitelists where you can lift them up from the first whitelist to the second and then the third, and those whitelists each creates the different reward pools and allow for the user to get access to different tools or direction and allocation and portion of this total cap to be airdropped for them as well. But with that being said, actually they need to contribute more from the first whitelist, just the easy, slow task, and the second whitelist is going to be much more harder because they need to onboard a wallet, they need to do some contests, they need to comment your white paper. Then the third one, they need to pick up some, your tokens from the market, and then stake probably those tokens. So this funnel will create the liquidity for your brand, and that's absolutely cool because it starts from literally nothing. You just need to, in order to get some rewards, you just need to compile those easy to get tasks as well. So think about the perfect CGM and ensure that technically it's executed pretty well. And the final one is you need to understand how to interact with those whitelisted people. So how are you going to convert into the different final direction in order to monetize this audience? Because if you have even one simple level of your whitelist, you cannot leave them just okay, let's go to those contacts, and in 1 year when we have the MVP or have the beta version launch, you will have an access, and who cares about this? So you need to continue slowly but steadily, consistently build the relationship with them. That's the whole Web3 marketing about is, and it's emerging, right? So you really need to understand to in order to get success with the whitelist campaign and this Web3 marketing funnel, you need to manage it well. So make sure you have the pinned content manager, you have the pinned community manager, you have actually great routine in order to chat activity inside those communities. You have the technical guy who are sitting in there and actually allowing or rejecting or accepting these tickets in order to bring the people to the next steps in your designed, well, I hope so, funnel. That's pretty much it. That's a wrap about the content for the whitelist. So make sure you understand this methodology and use in order to push your brand Web3 marketing game go up. If you need our help, we are always here to create the new rock stars and helping you being always bullish on every possible and market sentiment at any given time. Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, make sure you hit the like button and you're leaving your comments below. Maybe with some sort of examples, what do you think from your standpoint and perspective the great whitelist should look like, right? Or maybe you can underline some great thoughts or your insight from this video. So thank you so much, appreciate your energy and time, shake your hand digitally and see you in the next one.